correctly. Parks and libraries will close effective tomorrow. Marinas are contacting our residents directly. We're asking the boat owners to secure their boats. Building and permitting offices are closing tomorrow as well. We do have staff heading out into the field for inspections to ensure that structures such as roofs and other infrastructure are secure. All drawbridges will eventually be locked, but that is something that's controlled by the U.S. Coast Guard, and the lockdown usually doesn't happen until the threat gets close, and we don't expect that to happen until Friday or Saturday. Miami-Dade Police Fire Rescue are preparing for Hurricane Irma. Please do not call 911 for general questions. Use 311 instead, and use 911 only for an emergency. For their own safety, visitors in our community are encouraged to cut their vacation short and leave Miami-Dade County as soon as possible. I'm also hearing a lot of people saying they plan on leaving town, our own residents. If you're planning to do so, my advice is to leave early. We don't want you to be caught in a hurricane in your car, and that's the worst thing you could do. So if you are planning to do so and leaving by car, please do so, as soon as you can. Lastly, our 45 members of the Urban Search and Rescue Task Force that were in Houston are returning today at 5 o'clock, and we will be welcoming them. These are the updates. As you probably have figured, I have not issued a mandatory evacuation order for zones A and B, and that's because the storm has slowed down a little bit. We now a little bit more time to assess if we're going to need mandatory evacuation orders, and so the storm slowing down give us a little bit more time to take a look at forecast track and a little bit better indication of where the storm is actually going to go. So, but we do have and will have 4 shelters with a capacity of about 8,000 people. They will be open today for those that want to voluntarily evacuate from zones A and B. So now those are my remarks in English, and I want to make some remarks in Spanish. Buenos días, gracias a todos los residentes del